it's Jasmine here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today we have another mukbang, and today I'm gonna be eating some Chinese food. I haven't had Chinese food in a minute. Well, not really that long, but I don't really eat Chinese food as much as I used to, so I'm super freaking excited. Today we have some house lo mein, we have sesame chicken, we have fried rice, we have some chicken wings, and we have crab rangoon and some sweet and sour sauce. Super excited. Also, I have my coldest water bottle here. I will have 2 links down below. If you want to purchase one, you can use the code Jazmine to get free shipping, and also you can enter using the link down below to win your own coldest water bottle. But yeah, I'm starving, so I'm just gonna get right into it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel before you leave. We would love to have you a part of the Bella Squad. Also, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video and you never miss out. So yeah, first bite, fried rice. So good. I'm gonna play cricket. I think it is. Oh well. Anyways, y'all, I'm starving, and it is Sunday, but you're probably gonna see this on like Thursday or something. I'm so hot. Yeah, I love crab rangoon. I cannot wait to eat one. I warmed it up, so some of the stuff is like bubbling out, but hey, as long as it still tastes good. I have on a headband. That's that black thing you see, if you can't tell. I got my Tupac going on. Tupac lifestyle today. That lo mein is good. I mean, all of it is good, but is it just like where I live, or is it hard to find like a good Chinese place? Because where I stay, it's like a hit or miss. The area I live in, it's like a hit or miss for the Chinese food. So I drove to like the area that I used to live in to get this food, which I could have went. I passed multiple Chinese places on the way that I could have went to, but you just never know with Chinese food. So I just like to stick to places I know, and I'm like a big Yelper. Like I look at reviews for everything. Like I always look at reviews. It's a challenge, so I just rather drove to that one than to try another one over here and not like it, because I have tried a few. I'm so hungry. So I have a fresh face again. No makeup. My last video that you guys will probably see, which I will leave a link in the cards for you guys to see, which was the, what did I record? Fried flaming hot Cheetos, pickles, and shrimp. So I will leave that in the cards, but yeah, no makeup again. Wait, no, I had no makeup in that video. I didn't have makeup in the Taco Bell one, which went up today, which I will also leave that one in the cards too. Oh my God. So how I eat my crab rangoon is I eat the edges first, and then I save the center part for the end because that's the best part. Well, all the cream cheese and crab meat. So good. So good. If you don't like crab rangoon, what are you doing? What are you doing with life? Literally, it is so good. So this is like a no talking video because your girl is too happy with this food right now. And aren't you guys happy it's not seafood again? No. The last 3 videos haven't been seafood. Well, the fried pickles and shrimp I didn't have on makeup, so the two recent videos I haven't had on makeup. Let's get a chicken wing. I want a bite. They aren't as crunchy as I would have hoped, but they still have a good flavor. Oh yeah, I forgot to take a thumbnail. Wow. Okay, I think I got a good enough thumbnail, hopefully. If not, we're gonna just roll with it. What's your favorite kind of chicken from Chinese? Do you like, I either like sesame chicken or General Tso chicken. When I was younger, I used to love sweet and sour chicken. But now my favorites are sesame and General Tso. Love. And also crab rangoon. I always gotta give me some crab rangoon. It's just so good. When I was younger, it used to be this thing called shrimp toast from the Chinese restaurant, and basically it was like breading with shrimp and stuff just cooked in it. So good. I love that, but I never see that anymore. Like, I never see that. But it was just not healthy at all because it used to be just filled with oil. Like, you could really squeeze it and oil would ooze out. Like, literally. But it was so good. What made me get Chinese food is because I saw Steph and Tasha eating it. And then I saw Eating Pretty, Sharika, having it with her husband. So I'm like, I'm about to eat me some Chinese food. Mukbangs will really, mukbangs will really do you crazy because it be having you wanting stuff that you see people eat. I'm talking about craving it. I want some. I don't think you guys can see because the light is too bright. And no, my shirt isn't ripped. That's how it's made. It's like that on both sides. It's made like that, poo. It's made like that. No, I'm not up here in just a ripped shirt. Crab bacon is so good. Oh my God. So how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is having a good day. You guys see my dog. Always in the mix. My food is like stuck together. The breading. But anyways, yeah. I hope you guys are having a great day. What time is it? It is 3:40. This is my first meal. Like I said, when I know I'm going to record a video, I typically only eat one meal a day. Because, yeah, you just gotta save your appetite for these videos. And also, so you aren't going over your calories that you should have in a day. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a great day. I haven't really done much today. I just been relaxing, chilling, getting prepared for work tomorrow. My head has been hurting, so just been trying to be zen. Yeah, I'm probably about to just, after I finish this video, I'm getting in the bed and finish watching Handmaid's Tale. Oh my God, y'all, that show is just so, it's crazy to me. It's so crazy. It is so crazy. I also have a lot of episodes of Queen of the South to catch up on, like 3, not a lot, I mean 3, because I've been so caught up watching Handmaid's Tale that I haven't even been watching like my recorded shows. That's the only one, but I just been addicted to that show. If you watch The Handmaid's Tale, leave it down below. So I want to know. Tell me what you guys think of the show. Tell me what you think of it. Yeah, this food is so good. What have you guys ate today? What you been grubbing on? Grubbing on? Y'all know this food good because I haven't put any soy sauce on my rice or the lo mein. Where's my old ice? Alright, okay, what is my dog eating? He's over there crunching, but I forgot I put a piece of ice on the floor while I dropped the piece of ice. But yeah, I have my little sauces ready. Soy sauce and duck sauce. I love duck sauce, y'all. It is so good. But this food is flavored really well. Like, I don't even need any. I'm gonna get my mood maybe a little zen and just chill. Because like I said, on my off days, I'm not doing anything. I just like to chill and be zen. Because working with a whole bunch of different people and personalities, as like being a hairstylist, is very draining. Like, it can be very, very draining. Like, when I get home from work, I just be like exhausted. Because, you know, we're trying to make other people feel wonderful about themselves, and then just dealing with different personalities and attitudes and expectations. It's just like, it can be challenging for sure. None of this is for you, puppy. I'm sorry. And then not only do you have to deal with the different personalities of like the clients and customers, but also like people that you work with. Boy, I tell you, working with a lot of females and then gay guys, which I love gay guys. I have nothing against gay guys. I like love the gays, but honey, it can be exhausting. I feel like I'm not even making a break. This is like I'm breaking through this food or no? I'm already full. I think I have eaten a lot. I've had 2 wings, rice, 3 crab rangoon, few handfuls or spoonfuls or forkfuls of this, and some chicken, just sesame chicken. I think I made a lot. When I watch some people's videos, I'm like, how are they eating that much food? Like, how is that possible? I could never. Give me some water. I love this bottle, y'all. It's just so, I just love the design of it. It's so cute and sleek and just bomb. And like I said, the name of this water bottle definitely is the truth, because it will keep your water cold or whatever you put in here. Like, for real. Oh, your water or your juice or whatever is gonna be cold, period. I mean, of course, you have to put ice in. It's not gonna like refrigerate it like that. Like, I would put ice, but the thing is, like, the ice lasts forever and it gets cold. Like, it's just so cold. It's crazy. And obviously my griddle is not on. I do not like my griddle on. Like, really, I just like it for a display. It just works well for that. But girl, I'd be too hot trying to record videos with a griddle. With it like right here in my face. No, I would be sweating. Like, y'all would be like, yo, you okay, girl? You okay? I just can't even do it. And yes, the food does get cold sometimes. Well, a lot of the times, but I don't really need my food to be piping hot. Like, my mom, she needs her food piping hot. And my grandma, like, piping hot. I'm like, how are you even eating that? How is your mouth not burnt up? Period. Like, as long as my food not cold, like out of the refrigerator cold, that's supposed to be warm, like, I'm good. Room temperature, even when I can eat room temperature food with no problem. With no problem. I really need to do my hair today, but I just do not feel like it. But anyways, guys, that is the end of this video. I am full. I cannot eat any more. I enjoyed my food, and if you're eating with me, I hope you're done eating, and I hope you enjoyed your food as well. This was really good, and I will not be throwing this away. I will be eating this until I finish it. So if that means later for dinner, if that means tomorrow for lunch, if that means tomorrow for dinner, then that's what I'm going to be doing. Because I won't be recording a video tomorrow, which is Monday, because yeah, I'm not recording on Mondays anymore, because they're always doing like lawn work when I get off work, and it's just like, yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, sorry my camera cut off once again. The temperature was too hot, but I was just trying to tell you that this video is over with, and I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also please give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps me, and leave me some comments down below. Also, I do have a hair company, which this is my hair. This is my Curls for the Girl hair. Curls for the Girls hair, and if you want to shop, you can go www.alexisjco.com, and you can follow us on Instagram at alexisjcollection. Guys, my dog is crazy. I'm sorry. I do apologize on his behalf. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.